Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning.
Anita, Bindia. Anita, she came from India, yes, to spend some time with her daughter, but she does yoga for a long time online with me. And Bindia as well, long time coming. Yes, so today after class, we are having class, so I just got them here today to do the challenge. Okay, let's start.
Okay.
Good. So I will come out of your view. So be in Tadasana with the feet apart. Yes. Good. Now stretch your arms. Take your wrists on the wall with the fingers starting out. Good. Anita, you can lift your heels up. Bindia will not lift the heels up because some issue on her toes. So now get ready. We are going to do 3 repetitions, moving with the push-up, right? Counting 14. Okay, let's do it together. Get ready. Inhale. Exhale. 1. Good. Come back. 2. Good. 3. 4. 5. You can go a bit faster, Anita. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 11. 12. 13. 14. Good. Let's have a break. Yes. Anita was mentioning that she was feeling some soreness on her arms from yesterday, right?
Yes.
But today was okay to do that?
Yeah, it was okay.
Okay, good. Let's do one more time. That can happen because you're working the muscles. Good. Lift your heels up, Anita. Bindia stays with the heels down. Get ready. Inhale. Exhale. Go 1. Come back. 2. 3. Now the breath will be, you do whatever you have to do with the breath, but don't hold the breath. And now it's 5. 6. 7. Good. 8. 9. 10. As you go forward, you feel the grip on the triceps. 11, and the shoulder blades come closer. 12. 14. 13. 14. Okay, good. Okay, maybe I'm getting confused with the numbers here. One more time, just catch your breath. Inhale, exhale, just take a few breaths. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes? Good. Lift your heels up, Anita. And then Tadasana. Inhale. Exhale, go forward. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 11. 12. 13. 14. That's good. Well done. You see that Bindia has kept her hands a bit lower, Anita a bit higher. So that you have to try on your own which one you feel better to go forward to feel strong. That's it for today. Thank you, Anita. Namaste.
Thanks.
See you tomorrow.